Hi guys, I am back with another video. Cardi B and Offset on vacation and a yacht sinks. Let's get into it. Cardi B and Offset is on vacation, having a good time, sitting outside, just watching the water, feeling the breeze, feeling good. And next thing you know, Offset and Cardi B is showing this yacht. This yacht is like sinking. I'm like, how in the world did it happen? She gets back on and tell a little bit more information about it, like what's going on with it. And she was talking about how they're looking for the yacht. They're like actually underwater looking for the yacht. And she laughs and says, SpongeBob got it. You know how SpongeBob under the sea, I guess if you watch SpongeBob, you know what she was talking about. But that's crazy. Like, that's scary. That's why I don't like to get on anything that I can't get out of right away. Now, something, a little boat that go out a little ways, I can swim my butt back. But something that go out too far, no. Anyway, before we get into this video, thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my videos. And go ahead and share it if you like. Currently,
It's a whole motherfucking, oh my, it's sinking. Y'all see that? Y'all see it? Oh my God. They can't do nothing about it. They ain't no big boat that could save it. It's gone. It's gone. Bye bye. Bye. Oh my God, it's gone. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah! Ah!
Man, that shit finna sink, boy.
Oh my God, babe, it's going to sink.
Damn.
Oh my goodness. It's going down. It's sick. Oh my God. Oh my God.
What the fuck? I ain't never seen no shit like this, boy. That shit sinking.
It's sinking. It's a whole motherfucking, oh my, it's sinking.
Bro, that's a whole yacht gone. That bitch sunk all the way in that motherfucker.
Update, y'all. So there's a search team looking for the boat. I just saw like a scuba diver went down there, and it's like, child, that shit is in Bikini Bottom. That bitch long gone. SpongeBob is auctioning that bitch. SpongeBob is auctioning that bitch. The new Rick Owen frames right before release. Y'all bitches don't have these per.
Oh shit, hold on now, hold on, man.
Yo, Cardi B had me crying, laughing, talking about SpongeBob got it. It's gone. But it's crazy how they got to go look for it. Like, it sunk that far. They got to go out and look for it. How many of y'all are get on the yacht, boats, and all that kind of stuff? Well, that yacht is not too far out, so I probably would have got on the yacht just to have a little fun because I can swim. So I could have swam back. But going out too far, like on these big boats or these ships and all that stuff like that that's going far out, no thank you, because that's too far to be trying to swim back, get hurt, all kinds of crazy stuff. But anyway, comment down below, give me a thumbs up on my video, subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already, subscribe to my other channels if you hadn't already. Make sure you check me out on social media. Make sure you check out my shop. Make sure you click that bell for notification of my videos. Make sure you check out my IGT page and shop with your girl. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, be blessed.
Anyway, enough of that stuff.